Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download lead generation playbooks from HubSpot, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type HubSpot Lead Generation Playbooks. Press enter to search. Once the search results appear, look for the official HubSpot website link. Click on the link to navigate to HubSpot's main page. Once on the HubSpot page, locate the search icon in the upper right corner. Click on the search icon to reveal the search field. Type Lead Generation Playbooks into the search field. Hit enter to execute the search. Browse through the search results to find the relevant playbooks. Click on the title of the playbook you wish to download. You will be redirected to the playbook's landing page. Take a moment to review the playbook's description and details. Look for the download button, typically positioned prominently on the page. Click on the download button. You may be prompted to fill out a form with your information. Enter the required details, such as your name and email address. Review the information to ensure its accuracy. Once you have filled in the form, click on the Submit button. After submission, you will receive a confirmation message. Check your email for a confirmation and download link. Click on the download link in your email. Your browser will begin downloading the playbook file. Once the download finishes, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the file to access the lead generation playbook. You are now ready to utilize the playbook for your lead generation efforts. Follow these steps whenever you need to download additional playbooks from HubSpot. Enjoy harnessing valuable insights from the playbooks to enhance your strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.